Find or read reviews that people are talking of Sleavon 210 pints commercial dehumidifier, large industrial dehumidifier with intuitive control panel and drain hose. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose Sleavon 210 pints commercial dehumidifier. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Delivering up to 210 pints of moisture per day, under 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 90% RH working condition, this commercial dehumidifier is a top choice for drying or moisture control for spaces up to 7,500 square feet. It is ideal for extra-large spaces such as warehouses, manufacturing facilities, supermarkets, hospitals, large basements, and more. The commercial dehumidifier has an intuitive control panel to ensure all basic controls are at your fingertips. You can set the desired humidity level shown on the clear digital screen, or set a timer to start or stop the machine automatically. Thanks to its rugged metal housing and integrated design, this industrial dehumidifier can be used in the harsh environment with long-lasting performance. In addition, its auto defrost function protects key working components. Extra-large wheels and a built-in handle make it breeze to maneuver this commercial dehumidifier up and down stairs. You can simply hook up the included drain hose, 6.56 feet/2 meters, for continuous drain, eliminating the need of manual water removal. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.